Hi.
Hi. So you sent some messages. I saw that yesterday, so that I thought while we can connect, we can discuss. That's the reason I didn't respond.
Yeah, understood that
Yeah,
because some things it might not be
yeah,
possible to explain in message. Yeah.
yeah. See the
Actually,
thing.
I took some trades like yesterday regarding that, considering that 4-5-6 strategy.
Uh huh.
I was waiting. Only you want to use the focusing because I thought that instead of taking multiple trades, let
Okay.
us focus on only one trade.
Mm-hmm.
I actually took three,
Mm-hmm.
three that standard lots in
Okay.
one trade,
Okay. So what happened?
and actually I got lost.
Oh, okay.
Lost, and after although like one point I did not consider,
Mm.
but it was a 1 hour three candle swing point three candle break.
Mm.
Then after actually I was waiting some for some kind of this for one
Okay.
hour three candle break, then five minute 4-5-6 break. But
Okay.
I was waiting, and by the time it was happened, I did not sit for some time,
Mm-hmm.
and it was happened some big moment. Then again, I was waiting for another 4-5-6 to form.
Mm.
Then it was also formed,
Mm.
and yeah, actually it was swing high break. I mean, swing
Okay.
high break
Mm.
in the above side. Then again 4-5-6, I got. Uh,
Mm.
5 minutes, all above side break. I have
Okay.
got. Then in retest point, I have taken the trade. Actually, I have taken. After that, I checked that when it has retested for the first time, it
Mm.
has when that level actually in the same level one more the swing high was created
Mm.
previously,
Okay.
which was broken and which has given profit. And like after one candle that has sustained after one candle and it has given profit.
Okay.
At the same level, one more swing high created. Then that level I have gone into 1 minute actually 1 minute 4-5-6 created. It has broken, and I have taken a buy trade from there.
Okay. Okay.
And I have taken three standard lots, but like by I thought that because previously I was trading with TradingView,
Mm.
with the say with 1 point, but I don't know whether the trade has been triggered or not because I'm not understanding the TradingView setup. I
Okay.
kept on researching little bit, but it is showing like the trade is working, and whenever I'm putting one trade, two other like stop loss and take profit trades are executed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Those two trades are showing as inactive, and the trade which I have taken that is showing as working, but
Okay.
it has not showing me like how much profit loss, whether it's getting executed.
Mm-hmm.
That's I'm not able to understand. That's
Okay.
why I have whatever the analysis has been done, I have done in TradingView, and I have taken the trade on MetaTrader. So
Okay. So
after that,
yeah, tell
yeah,
me. Tell me. Yeah, go on.
after that, like I have taken just one like future trade, but
Mm-hmm.
it was just a 1-2 minutes. 1 minute, that time the 1 minute candle was breaking,
Mm-hmm.
has broken.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I have taken a future trade only 1 minute before for the retest point.
Okay.
But yeah, I thought that the trade was not executed,
Mm-hmm.
so I again took a live trade with the three again standard lots because I thought the previous trade was so total six standard lots was executed in the same time.
Okay.
And all I have lost. I have given $300 stop loss,
Okay.
300 points.
Okay.
All are in loss.
So evening time you traded or morning? What time you traded actually?
Evening.
Evening time you traded. Have you checked the news? Is there any high impact news? Because yesterday is a Friday. Usually the
Hmm.
Friday times there will be high
Hmm.
impact news will be there. And
Hmm.
during the news time, whatever setup
Hmm.
you place, most of the time it's going to fail. So that
Hmm.
you have to
Hmm.
ensure. I have not traded yesterday actually. I have
Okay.
not neither watched the whether we had a high
Market.
impact news or
Okay.
not. Let us check that first. Okay,
Yeah. I have
forexfactor.com.
not checked also.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I have taken my trade just above 50%. I
Okay.
know that. below 50% we should buy and above 50% we should sell. But there was no confirmation of I wanted to take a trade.
Okay.
And I thought let me only focus on Euro USD today and
Mm-hmm.
let us only take one trade. So
Okay.
I was just waiting actually for 4 5 hours, that 1 hour candle. I was waiting. I could not get any entry. I have missed just for 10 minutes. I missed that entry
Okay.
because just to create the setup and in my
Mm-hmm.
MacBook, no, this is very difficult to create a even draw a rectangle, then again mark
Mm-hmm.
the swing points
Mm-hmm.
in trading view, then connecting. Like it takes again 10 to 15 minutes. By
Right.
that time only, that particular time has passed.
Yeah.
So by the time I had checked, that level has already crossed and given 100 pips profit. So I thought, okay, similar to that level, just above it was not very high point, but just above the 50%, it has created one more swing high, and it has broken. Then again, 1 minute swing 4 5 6 created, it has broken above side.
Yeah.
Then I have taken the trade, but
Okay.
I don't know why it has gone.
First of all, yesterday there was a non-farm payroll. The employment change news. That was the huge news. Most of the people will be looking for doing gambling at that time. Okay, from 6 o'clock
Non-farm
onwards.
employment change
That is
means?
in US. In America, there is a kind of employment report they will be
Okay.
releasing. So you can see here there is a positive news as well as negative news. Same time that released on 6 p.m. So every Friday you have to ensure, you have to very careful that because you don't know what will happen, because every Friday there will be a high impact news will be releasing most of the times, and those times whatever you try, everything going to work opposite, whatever you do, because everybody in the world, they will try to speculate the market, they will try to gamble, they will buy sell, something like that, because everybody guessing the market, whole world will be looking for this news, because this is going to heavily affect the US dollar. So what they will do now, they will try to gamble. uh, so that is the main reason I have to say that in those times, whatever strategy you apply, it very, if you have very, if you have a small luck, maybe you can um, generate some income, but most of the time it's going to create the failure. That's the point number one. Okay, point number two is uh, 456 swing break retest 1 minute 456 or 5 minutes 456. That is not a bulletproof strategy also. It is also going to fail, because whatever strategy you are applying, it is not nothing going to be 100% working, because it's a permutation combination. So you will be making losses. Maybe I can say that it is 80 percentage, 90 percentage time it's working, still the 10 percentage buffer, it is still there,
Yeah,
you will be losing money. So that's the point number two.
yeah, definitely different.
And because of that you cannot change the strategy, because so far in my like I have been trading since
Yeah.
2013. So
Hmm.
far in my experience, this is the best strategy. That I can tell you, but
Yeah, yeah,
best
definitely.
means.
But I just wanted to ensure because when I was checking those points, I was
Ha.
having some doubts that
Ha.
suppose first time it has like first time swing break, like 1 hour swing break has already happened.
Mm.
That time, if I am checking in lower time frame, suppose 5 minutes or 1 minute,
Mm.
suppose first time it has already retested because the break and retest in 1 minute it will happen immediately, right?
Yeah, yeah,
In 1 minute.
yeah.
So suppose that break has already happened and the retest also immediately happened. So second time in the same level, can I like can I
Trade.
consider the
Ha.
break, or like suppose again that like in 1 minute it will be a multiple time retest in the same level, right?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
1 minute again
Yes,
coming down again above, so
yes.
multiple time retest. So whether I shall consider the second time retest or
Okay.
again one more break, after one more break I have to consider the retest.
Okay.
Maybe yeah.
First, what I'll tell you here is, let's say
Hmm.
you are taking 1 hour swing high like this, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Let's say you are taking 1 hour swing high.
Hmm.
Let me tell you, uh, we traded this at direct, right? Initially, we traded directly. As soon as
Yeah.
three
Hmm.
candle break, retest,
Hmm.
we
Hmm.
used to take a trade. Now,
Hmm.
I'll tell you something. You have, uh, three options first of all. I mean, two options first of all. So this is a 1 hour swing high. You are marking entire candle as a with a box. Okay, like that. Now first option is direct option. You are not looking for any confirmation. Break, retest. You are directly trading. That's the first option. Option number two is, in this entire box you are going to take the half level, and from there you can take a direct option. I'm talking about the direct sell. Okay, direct sell without 456 confirmation, without
Sorry,
4.
come again this point.
I'm telling the direct sell. No 456, no 456. First you are selling from here, direct sell
After the break, right?
after the break. Okay, that is a point number one. Point number two, 50 of this entire three candle, 50% of entire three candle. From there also you can look for direct trade, not 456.
Okay.
Not 456. Okay, this is the direct option, but
But this is only after break, right?
after the break.
Okay.
Now this is have a consequences, because you know that direct trades, big stop loss, risk is big, and
Yes,
it can
yes.
fail also. Now the same rule applicable for the 456 also. Now the thing here is, if you choose 1 hour, 1 hour swing high, you have to choose 1 minute only. Now
Okay.
5 minutes you can do it, no problem, but you will have to wait more time.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, I was confused whether I should check 1 minute or 5 minutes. Then I look first for 5 minutes. Then again, in 1 minute I have checked. Both are giving me confirmation. Suppose like swing high break and the same level, like swing high in the same level I got. One swing low also previously created, and the same level it's broke happened.
Okay.
And the same level, like 1 minute I got the confirmation. So that was just a moment. I was
You can keep it like that, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. If it is a 6 minute, it's 1 hour 60-minute chart, right? Then you have to look for a 60 seconds, which is 1 minute, right? 1 minute.
Okay.
So something like that you can keep it. So in 4 hour chart, unfortunately we don't have a 4 minute chart. 4 hour chart means you 240 minutes, right? 240 minutes. So you want to see 240 seconds. I mean seconds mean 240 minutes chart. In that, if you choose 5-minute chart, 5 into 60, you get 30. What do you call it? 1 minute is 60 seconds, right? So how do we say that? So let's say 240 means 4 hour, right? 4 hour. So if I take a 4-minute chart, 4-minute chart means 4 minute into 60, 240 minutes. I mean, not a 240 minute, 240 seconds. 240 seconds. 4 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So
Yeah.
4 minutes means 240 seconds, right? 240 seconds. So in 4 hour chart, you have to look for a 4-minute 456. Since we don't have a 4-minute, we are looking 5-minute. Understood?
4 hour 5 minute. Okay,
4 hour 5 minutes combination. Why we are doing? Actually, 4 hour 4 minutes combination you have to do. 4 hour 4 minutes. I think in MetaTrader 4-minute it's available. You can use that. Since in TradingView we have only 5 minutes, we are using the 5 minutes. If you use this is the very you have to keep it in your mind. 1 hour means 1 minute. 4 hour means it should be 4 minute, but since we don't have a 4 minute, we are using 5 minute.
Okay.
That you keep it in your mind. Don't change this. Now,
Okay.
the thing here is, can I still use 1 hour 5 minutes? 1 hour 5 minutes can I use? You can use it, but it may not helpful. It may not helpful all the time because it consumes more time. So you have to wait for a 4 5 6 candle, right? So another 30 minutes you need to wait for the 4 5 6 to create and break, retest.
Yes.
So that will consume more time. But if you use a 1 minute chart, no, it will be only 6-minute candle. 6-minute candle will be creating 4 5 6. Then you break, retest. Another 10 minutes you can able to take a trade. So always use 1 hour 1 minute or 4 hour 4 minute or 5 minute. This is the part you need to follow. Okay. Now what is your next question? You were asking something.
Yeah. Just a moment. I'm
Yeah,
just
you are
checking.
checking something. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so first thing I have to only use 1 hour 1 minute,
One
and
minute.
4 hour 5 minutes or 4 hour 5 minutes, four
4
hour
minute.
4 minutes or 4 hour 5 minutes,
Yeah.
whichever is feasible.
Yeah.
So suppose in 1 hour I have got the swing high or swing low break.
Ha.
Suppose one
Mm.
break already
This
happened,
has happened. Yeah.
and huh, yeah, or maybe above side opposite side break also happened.
Whatever. Yeah.
Okay, so and in 1 minute I am checking
Mm.
the retest already has happened.
Yeah.
4 5 6 already created,
Here.
and the retest already happened.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I'm checking, suppose this phenomenon
Mm.
already happened,
Yeah.
then can I consider the same level again for
Okay. So
to
here
trade?
456 created. Market already went down. Now
Yeah.
market is coming above again, right? Now this situation you are asking, can I still consider?
Uh, yeah, actually, uh, how can I make you understand this? Suppose in 1 minute, whenever I'm checking,
Mm.
multiple candles will be created, right?
Yeah.
One, two, three, four.
Yeah.
Suppose this 4, 5, 6 is created in 1 minute in the
Mm.
same level, and it has been broken and retested. After
Okay.
retested, multiple time that point has been crossed. Like multiple candles has been created.
Okay.
Suppose 3, 4 times candles has been created.
I-
Okay.
inside that
Yes.
1 minute only you are saying.
Yeah, inside that 1 minute only.
Okay.
Suppose this any candle if you mark. Okay, I will tell you the exact candle. Just a moment.
Yeah. Because the point here is what I want to understand here is
Hmm.
what I want to tell you here is if
Huh.
there when market is retesting, where it is retesting, it's actually retesting the 1 hour level, right? When it is retesting 1 hour level, if it is creating 456
Hmm.
and 456 break happened, 456 retest happened, and
Huh.
market went down.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
again it is coming to the same 456. That's what I was
Yeah.
saying.
But in in 1 minute,
Mm.
it will be up down, right? The all the
Yeah.
candles
Yep.
can retest the same level, same four
Yes.
five six.
Yes.
So suppose you draw three more lines there,
Mm.
three
Mm.
more lines in the same level.
Okay.
If you can draw means 1 2 3, yeah, but again and again it has been retested.
Okay.
Then when I'm checking, can I still consider that level, or I need one more candle to break that level and can put the retest into there?
Okay. First of all, this 456 already worked here, right?
Yes, yes.
Which means it's already done. This
Hmm.
456 is already done. But second time the same 456 is testing.
Yeah,
Okay.
second
Let's say.
time test also happen like 2 3 times.
Ha.
Testing means in 1 minute 4 5 candles has created which has crossed the same level.
Okay.
Same level.
Okay.
When I'm checking, suppose maybe 3 minutes later,
Okay.
then I am checking the market is coming down again to that point.
Okay.
Like again coming down to same 4 5 6 level.
Okay.
Can I still make a sell entry there,
Now
or
the thing
yeah?
here is once you saw the 1 minute 456, that
Huh.
456 broke retest. Once
Huh.
it is worked,
Huh.
second time there, even though market several times touching the same area.
Hmm.
Okay. Now
Hmm.
let's say this is already worked.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Now the same area market is coming. Once again
Hmm.
it is going down.
Yeah.
Now you are, if you are trying to take a trade from here.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
What you need to understand, you are trying to take a trade from the 456 which is already worked,
Hmm.
which
Hmm.
is already worked.
Hmm.
So my answer to your question here is, if you are
Hmm.
going to take a trade from the same 456 level, you need to look for new 456 here.
Ah, okay, okay.
Why? Because sometimes why this is again and again coming to the same level, it is not because of this 456, it's because of this level. Because this level, 1 hour level or 4 hour level, whatever, this level still have the money, or I can say still it may have the liquidity. So to take the liquidity, market will again and again come. It is not
Okay.
actually it is respecting this same 456 level again and again. It is not like that. You should not consider like that.
Okay.
It may be because of this higher time frame level.
So I what I was thinking that first of all, whether this one question was that first of all whether shall I consider the same uh, 4566
No.
level retest, or one more candle I need to break that same 456 again,
Uh-huh.
and then after break I can take a uh, uh, sell entry.
The answer is very simple. If
Huh,
first 456 already worked,
huh,
okay, whether it is giving 100 points or maybe 50 points, whatever,
huh, huh.
from the first 456 market already rejected. I mean, rejected means it's already moved some points, maybe 50, 60, maybe 100 points.
Hmm, hmm,
Second time market comes to the same level or within the green box, entire green
hmm,
box.
hmm.
Okay, you have to look for the new 456. Okay, that can
Okay.
go above the existing 456, or maybe it can react from the existing 456. That doesn't really
Above
matter.
456 means?
Means the like this, maybe for example, like you have like
Okay.
this and the market come inside and you have a
Huh,
1 2 3 4 5
huh,
6, right? And the
huh,
456 is broken
huh,
and market retested, you take up
huh.
entry, this is done, that's it. You took the
Okay,
entry,
okay.
this is done. Now
Hmm,
market is coming again.
hmm.
Let's say if it is again creating 456 here,
Yeah.
then you can obviously you can trade. Wait.
Okay, if it's already worked, then there is no retest point or no break should be considered in the same 456. We have
Yeah,
to look for new
new
456,
456.
and the 456 can be created within that level or outside that level as
Outside
well.
the level, it can go little bit up also, like this,
Yeah.
like this. It can go a little bit up. Then here it can create 456.
No, it can create below also as well.
Yeah,
Below that.
it can create below
No,
also.
outside that green box, I'm telling.
I mean bottom.
Yeah, bottom
Yeah,
or
yeah.
yeah, bottom. Yeah.
Yes, because sometimes what will happen, no? Let me tell you. So this is the 456 created,
Hmm.
and market is touching, right?
Hmm.
When it is touching here itself, it can create 456.
Yeah, yeah.
The touching candle itself a 456.
Hmm.
Okay.
Or even it cannot touch that green box always. It
Yeah.
sometimes
It can below.
outside that green box again it can be.
Yes, definitely.
Right.
But the thing here is, if it is go very down, for example, like, uh, so after retesting this point,
Hmm.
market is going down, 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 and finally it is creating 456 here.
Hmm.
Then you have to be a little bit careful
Okay.
because the
Okay.
movement already happened. So
Hmm.
it may come inside the buying level, for
Hmm.
example, in the past buying level. So in
Hmm.
that case, if it is breaking upside, I mean downside, you have to be a bit careful. You may not continue to sell.
Hmm.
Okay, that is a one thing you need to look. But if it is happening near, maybe somewhere here, in
Hmm.
between, you can always try to take a trade. But 456, if you took once you took a trade from the 456,
Hmm.
second time don't try to take a entry from the same level unless until you get another 456. If you get another 456, you can do it. Now where and all it can create, let me tell you, it can create 456 can create
Hmm.
tip of this bottom, the bottom level, this bottom level. When it market comes up, you will get 456. Here you can get that 456, or sometimes it will come to the 50 percentage of this
Hmm.
entire level. Okay,
Hmm.
from there you can expect the 456.
Yeah.
Most of the time the 50 percentage levels are really powerful, and this is applicable for the middle candle 50 percentage also. Middle candle 50 percentage also, sometimes you will be getting the 456
So
if
here, if we get 456 above side break, not the down break, then
now then this level meant for selling level, right?
yeah.
So until unless this level broken upside, you cannot
Huh.
what do you call it? Sell buy,
Huh.
because like this, for example, you got upside 456
Ah,
from the
yeah,
level.
yeah.
Then you can, if it is broken upside, obviously you can buy
Hmm.
from the selling level, buy from
Huh.
this 456 level. Okay,
Okay.
and
But yeah, yeah. But suppose in the first instance itself, in 1 hour, this swing high is broken above side.
like this,
Yeah,
the
above side.
above side, like
1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. In 1 hour itself, it has broken first time.
like
It
this.
has above, huh?
Ha,
Then again, it has created the 456 in 1 minute,
sure.
which is broken. So I can take a buy entry from there.
Sure. You can do it because it's a failed level, right?
Yeah.
So failed level, you got a 456. You need to see the break again, retest. You can take a trade because it's a
Again,
failure.
if this already happened, then again we need to wait for one more 4, 5, 6, right?
Yeah, because sometimes it will be taking multiple time to retest. It will like this. So let's say when you open the market, it already broken up and it is already retested and market is already going up. Let's say like that. Then again it is coming back after some time. Maybe after taking a long time, it is coming back. Now you look for 4 5. You have to look for 4 5 6. You cannot take trade from the existing 4 5 6. Okay. Now you look for the one more 4 5 6. If it is broke upside, you take a trade. If it is broke downside, then you have to be, now market is confused because earlier this was a selling level that is broken upside. It become a buying level. Now within the buying level, it is try to become a selling level. So it is getting confused. You can understand. So you can leave that setup. Okay.
Okay. And
Yeah.
just a moment.
Yeah.
Just a moment. 1 hour. And yeah, so suppose when we are watching the market, the 1 hour candle has already broken. Suppose there are 15 minutes remaining.
Okay.
That break candle, this
Okay.
swing high already or swing low already created, and the break candle is currently running, maybe 10, 15 minutes is remaining.
Okay.
But it actually it's very convincing break, like it's a long
Like maybe like
body
this.
break, yeah. But still the candle is not completed.
Yeah.
When I am checking, like another 10, 15 minutes in 1 hour it's remaining. When I'm checking in or maybe 5 minutes remaining in the 1 hour, but I am convinced that it will not go down to that
Okay.
back to that level. I mean, it's a clear break, I
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
understand,
Uh-huh.
but still 10 minutes are remaining.
Okay.
But in 1 minute I am getting the 4, 5, 6 also the break. Can I
Downside.
take the trade?
Yeah, you can do it. But you need to understand the basic logic here is whenever the swing levels broken,
Hmm.
okay, like this, I mean confirmed break,
Hmm.
1 2 3,
Hmm.
fourth candle is breaking, fifth candle will be always a buying candle, most of the at least is the indecision candle, something like that. Okay, so now you are trying to take a trade from the fourth candle before it completes. So let's say you took the trade somewhere in the middle, and if you are closing within the that period, remaining period of that candle, then you are safe because next candle mostly it will be bullish candle.
Okay,
So
okay.
based on 1 minute, if you take a trade here, you would have put stop loss above that 1 minute high. So next candle when it is open, it become bullish, it can hit your stop loss. So that's the reason there is a strategy, blind strategy. As soon as 1 2 3 happened, fourth candle break, fifth candle people will be selling. Here they will be selling, and they'll put stop loss over there. So this is also a very successful strategy actually. They don't wait for the 3 candle retest, directly they will be selling. But that is depends upon the breaking candle. If breaking candle is very small, they will sell here. If breaking candle is a very big, no, they will surely know that sell. This is a red candle, right? Red candle is very big. So next candle will be a green candle, mostly,
Okay.
or at least indecision candle. It will be. I'll show you if any example is
I'm
there.
not a selling candle. So
Mostly.
what happened yesterday? I was experiencing the same, like 3 candle, and I am seeing that okay, it's a clear break, but still 5 minutes, 10 minutes is remaining, but it is far like above 100 points to reach that level. But
Right.
I mean, it will not come to it will be a clear break, according to my assumption.
Okay.
And I have checked in 1 minute. 4, 5, 6 also created and it's broken. I was about to take trade that time, but I did not take because I was waiting for 1 minute candle to break properly. When I have checked that okay, 1 minute is completed, by that time that big movement has happened
Oh.
in 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
4, 5, 6 broken and 130 points already moved. No, not 130 points. I think some 359 points already
Oh,
moved.
okay. Okay.
Okay. So after that, I thought, okay, I should have taken, or I was confused that time.
Yeah, that is perfectly all right because if you if you know, as soon as the third candle broken by the fourth candle, and while it is breaking, and by observing the body itself, body of the candle itself, you can predict something and you can take a trade. But the point here is, if that candle is big candle. Now, for example, you see this one. This is 1, 2, 3, right? And you can see the breaking candle is not that much big candle. It's a very tiny candle. I mean, considerably tiny. But next candle you see. So if you see something like this, you can pretty much say that next candle will be like a very fast, speed candle. So you can even directly also you can trade without even seeing the 4, 5, 6. But the
Okay.
breaking
If
candle,
if I see something like this, when a breaking candle is not that much big, right?
yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
small body break.
Yes, but breaking candle itself big means, let's say, now you are based on this only, you are try to sell from in between, right?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
you see that breaking candle is like it's going very down, and you thought, okay, here you are getting 4, 5, 6 confirmation. Let's sell. So you are selling from here. So what can happen? Potentially happen. Next candle will go a little bit like that. Then next candle will go down
Yeah.
like that. So if you take a sell entry, but if you put stop loss above this, you are safe. You can like capture this big movement, or you can sell here. You can close it immediately. The close of that candle. That you can do.
Okay.
But based on 4, 5, 6, 1 minute 4, 5, 6, if you trade, if you put stop loss above that 1 minute 4, 5, 6, high chances your stop loss might get hit. So that's the point. So that's the only point you need to consider. If you put stop loss above this, okay, then that's fine. Then that's fine. But if you try to put stop loss in between the 1 minute 4, 5, 6 high, then that might be the problem, because the current candle is very big. So next candle try to reverse a little bit. It will most of the time it will happen. So that's the reason. You can definitely trade here from here based on the 4, 5, 6, but ensure put stop loss above that candle. Okay, something like that. But you have to risk that much.
Okay.
Okay, you
Just a
can.
moment. I just wanted to show you. I actually marked all the candles, but I think in Trading View, but I have saved even, but I'm not finding where it is. It has
Okay,
gone.
okay.
I wanted to show you. Actually, I have marked that. I've written also in all the boxes 4 minutes, 4, 5, 6 something. Yesterday around 6:30, 7:30 some candles. If you
Okay.
can see some like it was a very clear confirmation. Maybe after that. News only it has reverted, but I
Which
just
pair?
wanted
Euro
to
USD.
Euro USD only yesterday around evening time, like after 6:30, 7:30 that time only. I was watching from 4 o'clock, I guess.
Evening 4 o'clock.
So evening 4 o'clock. So that only I have taken one swing high, swing low. So many confirmations actually. 1 second, I will 2:30 then. Yeah, 2:30 candle. Then yeah, I think this one only I'm checking about. Uh, yeah, one is 2:30 candle. Then 6:30 candle. It was a break, above side break.
Ah, right. That is I think that's a news scandal.
Yeah, that above side break, opposite side break. No, I didn't check the news although,
Mm-hmm.
but in the same level, yeah, I think it has failed. No, retest. It
Ah,
has failed.
yeah. This is a
It
swing
has.
low actually. Middle
Huh,
candle broken,
huh.
and in retest it should have worked, but it is failed. It went down.
Yeah, I have taken the swing high, 2:30 swing high.
230 swing
Uh,
high. Okay.
yeah, see, these
That's
are
good.
all both confirmation. The 2:30 swing high break. Then, yeah, that I think this, yeah, this break only I was taking. I
Oh,
was
you
talking
to
about
230 upside break you took, right?
upside break. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Or swing failure you took.
Swing failure I have taken. I
Break.
was waiting for this candle to break. That 10 minutes was, if you can check in 1 minute or 5 minutes, maybe
This
1 minute.
this green candle you are saying.
This green candle, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
It
okay.
was forming by then. In 1 minute, I have
You
taken.
actually went into the trap time because it's a news scandal. So
Okay, okay. No,
That's the
that's fine. I'm not concerned about loss, but
mm.
I just want to know whether I have taken the right swing points, or maybe I have not taken the right.
See,
That's.
if you see that 1 hour swing high, now first of all
Uh,
you know that you can clearly see that's a parallel candles
yeah.
followed by the parallel, and also you can see there's a swing low here, 1 2 3,
Hmm. It's
and it is
actually a four
4
five
5 6
six.
break. Okay,
Actually, a 4 5 6.
4
So
5 6
four five
break.
six. I got three confirmation. This is a 4 5 6 1 hour 4 5 6 break. So it's a clear.
If you see it, it already hinted you actually. Even if you consider this as a 4 5 6, the 4 5 6 initially went down actually. Can you see this? If I take all 6 candles, one,
Hmm.
two, three, 4 5 6, right? What happened first? It went down first, then it
Hmm.
is broken up.
Hmm.
So,
Yes.
and also you can see this 3 candle or this 4 candle
Parallel candles.
parallel candles. Now you may not agree the fourth candle, but maybe the 3 candle is a parallel candle.
Yeah,
Body
yeah.
size, forget about the wick.
Hmm.
Wicks are maybe a little bit up and down, but this is like a
Hmm.
parallel.
Hmm.
So it is like a ranging. So when you see parallel candle like this, market always try to do two things. It will like go down and go up and go down, maybe like that,
Okay, okay.
or go up, go down and go up. It will do like this. I mean, it will try to take the money from both ends. That's what it did. First it took the money from here, then it took the money from here, now it is going down. When you see that, this is very nature of the market. We have not actually discussed this because that is reserved for coming day sessions. That's the reason,
Okay.
that's the reason confusion here. So you can most of the time you can see that. Even if you see the normal range market, it will do like that. This is called double side manipulation. Whatever you see, this is a double side manipulation. Usually it will do single side manipulation, uh, and then go in particular direction. But when you see something like this, parallel candles tied together, you can bet and also in the news time, because if you see the news candle only manipulated the market.
Yes, yes.
Before the news it was a little bit
Yeah.
manipulation, and after the
No,
news.
but while this candle was created, no, if you can exactly put, I think just let me check once.
Mhm.
While this
This big
green
green candle.
candle, big
Ah.
green candle was created, no,
Mm.
just a moment. That time I have gone to 1 hour,
One
1 minute.
one
Sorry,
minute.
1 minute.
Yeah.
That time but it was getting created. 10 minutes was left, but
Mm.
it has created 4 5 6 and break.
Mm.
At that time it actually worked more than
I
100
can see
points.
this. For example, like this is the. So let us do this. This is the 6 o'clock to. We want to see
Yeah,
6 o'clock to 7 o'clock
six.
candle.
Yeah, yeah.
So exactly 6 o'clock. This is the news time opening actually.
Hmm.
When six
So
o'clock
six
opened,
thirty candle means it's 6:30 candle means 5:30 to 6:30, right?
6:30 to 7:30. six
No,
thirty
if
candle, right?
if the 1 hour candle is 6:30 candle means it's 5:30 to 6:30 or 6:30 to 7:30.
6:30 to 7:30. See, you take a 1 hour
Okay.
chart. Let us
Yeah.
see
Yeah.
that. So this is 2:30, right?
Yeah,
2:30.
2:30.
Next candle
Hmm.
will be 3:30. So this is
Okay.
2:30 to 3:30 candle. This is 3:30 to 4:30 candle. This is 4:30
Okay.
to 5:30 candle, and 5:30 to 6:30. This is the
6:30.
this is actually news candle. 5:30 to
Okay.
6, because 6 o'clock news is released.
Okay.
5:30 to 6:30 news is released. So that
Hmm.
is the red candle is a news candle.
Hmm. Okay.
And you took, I think, somewhere around 6:30 to 7:30. This is a 6:30 to 7:30 candle.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so if I go 1 minute chart, so 6:30. Sorry, this is 6 o'clock actually. So you took it from the six after 6:30, right?
Yeah, yeah. I think I have, yeah, just a moment. I have sent you
Maybe
the
let me
screenshot.
take from the 5:30 to 6:30.
No, I have sent you the screenshot. No, just if you can refer the screenshot, it will
Oh, this was
actually
the
this.
one.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I have drawn this, but where it has went, I don't know. Uh,
Okay, entry itself not triggered. Maybe.
Yeah. This entry I have taken. Actually, the entry worked, but it has not triggered. Worked
Triggered.
means it has not given me 100 pips. Before giving me 100 pips,
It
it has
was.
went little bit above. It
Okay.
has went down, and it if it would have been triggered, it would have hit the stop loss,
Okay.
because I have only given 200 points stop loss. Then again, it went for 359 points.
Oh, okay.
So this is the break, actually, I think. Yeah, this green candle only I was taking.
Okay. Then
Green
in
candle.
that case, you took from the 6:30 to 7:30. 6:30 to
Yeah.
7:30. Let us see that price action. So 6 o'clock, 6:30 is starting from here. 6:30 to 7:30. So that's the 7:30. This is the price action of 6:30 to 7:30.
Oh.
Okay. Probably you would have taken the entry from this 456. I believe so.
Yes,
456
yes,
broken and retest happened, and it is went
yes, yes,
decently went up to, I mean, it is not a big
yes, yes.
profit, but
Yeah,
100 points. 100
yeah.
points should
I
have
took
been
a
given. So your entry is not triggered, you said, maybe because of some,
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know why, because maybe the glitch or maybe the I'm not sure. It should have been given, but again, it's a very top tip of, I mean, at the peak level.
Yeah.
But in between, you see, you did not given any, I think, any opportunities. I don't think so. It's given opportunities. Swing high.
It has broken, but not retest. Never
Yeah,
happened.
because of the news.
Yeah.
I think maybe because of the impact of the news. Because news candle is
Yeah.
here. This is the news candle actually.
Mm-hmm.
News candle is very initially it was selling candle.
Hmm.
That's a manipulation. Then it was a buying candle. Then slowly it become a buying. Because overall news, I think it's a positive news. If you see,
Hmm.
that is a unemployment change is the positive. You can see green color.
Hmm.
But at the same time, there is a hourly earnings, that is a negative news. Because of that, both positive and negative at the
Hmm.
same time. So I think
Hmm.
market manipulated. Uh,
Hmm.
that's the reason. First, it was creating 6 o'clock, exactly 6 o'clock. It was creating the big selling candle.
Hmm.
Then slowly, it was not creating this straightforward buying candle,
Hmm.
but slowly it's created the buying candle because of that positive news, that impact. Okay,
Yeah,
so
but there here I have taken this entry in trading view. If you go to 1 hour,
mhm.
because this entry was not triggered, so I have checked it would, if it would have been triggered, it would have given me 100 points, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But in 1 hour, then I have taken one more entry in that
Okay,
red candle.
okay.
If you can go what to 1 hour, actually 6:24 I have taken the
You
entry
took two in.
exactly.
I think there is a two in buy limit and
Yeah,
okay.
no, that is in trading view. Buy limit means whenever I put the entry, no, that
Mm,
for stop loss, one more entry has triggered. Total three trades was triggered.
mm,
One stop loss, one for take profit.
mm,
Three trades were triggered,
mm.
but it has not been given. But in MetaTrader, I have taken one more entry in the selling candle.
Okay.
A selling candle means in 1 hour, 1 hour.
In 1 hour, you see. Okay.
In that red selling candle.
The top candle or this big red candle.
Yeah, but yeah, big red candle,
Okay.
exactly, just above the 50. If you I have drawn a Fibonacci actually.
Okay.
I have taken the entry at 1.13392. That price point, 1.13392.
Okay. 1.13392.
Yeah, just
Okay. Let us see.
hmm,
1.13392. Let's put a line. 13392.
hmm.
Okay, I think the little bit below the 50, whatever, or above the 50, something.
Above
Here,
50. Yeah, a little bit above 50.
okay, let's delete this. Here
Yeah.
you put an entry.
Yeah,
Go,
only 100 points I have given, but I have put a buy entry there.
Oh, buy entry you put.
I put a buy entry because there is just a moment.
I'm taking the 1 minute chart actually.
Yeah,
Here I can see in 1 minute
one four
chart
five six. Yeah.
1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay. Then 4 5 6 4 5 6 4 5 6 4 5 6 4 5 6 broken downside. Uh,
No, no. I think my entry got triggered exactly 6:24. My six, according to the MetaTrader.
624. Okay.
According to the MetaTrader, yeah.
674 means. No, the price level is same, right? There is no changes in the price level.
Yeah, no, no, no. Price level is same,
Ah,
1.13392. I have taken a buy entry. I thought that was not triggered, so immediately I put a buy entry, another buy entry, which is 1.133406, almost same level.
mm-hmm.
So actually, I wanted to take from this 1.133 because there was a swing high, swing low also broken in the same level. Swing
Okay.
low broken, then again that red candle itself. Just a moment.
Because I'm very pretty sure you would have not took the buy entry here because it's clearly down break and retest. So maybe even if you consider this level, this is like a downside break retest. You should have taken the sell entry.
Okay, okay. Swing. I think I don't know what break I have taken, but
MetaTrader is confusing actually because of the time.
yeah,
Or maybe if you took a buy entry here, then there is a possibility because there is a this is around 6 o'clock.
uh,
1 2 3 and 1 2
yeah,
3 here.
yeah.
So that is a downside break, and that is
Hmm.
retest and went down also. But
Yeah.
again, finally that 456 is failed.
Huh.
But retest never happened. Maybe you
Huh.
would have taken direct entry. I'm not sure.
One. I have taken a direct entry. I actually wanted to take a direct entry.
Okay.
For just before 2 minutes, I have placed a future trade
Mm-hmm.
of this 1.3392. That time it was not triggered, so I take one more entry, 1.133406. Both
Okay.
are almost like 18 minutes,
Very near. Okay. Okay.
very near, yeah.
So
But it
maybe
was a clear 456 break
okay.
in 1 minute, I think.
So because in the past also we don't have 456. Maybe this 456.
And I'm also
Uh,
checking the same. One, two, three, one, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6.
you said 6 p.m. right? 6 a.m.
6:24 p.m.
6:24 p.m.
Actually, it got according to MetaTrader.
MetaTrader. That's what I'm looking. UTC. New York time.
I'm not getting all the candles in MetaTrader. I'm checking in TradingView.
So 6:24 means So in MetaTrader 6.
I think there is 4, 5, 6, no, including that where parallel candles. 4, 5, 6 break happened, and I marked that area, and in between I have got some 4, 5, 6. I think in 1 minute.
But that's correct. But this 456, but this 456 is clearly violated. In the bottom side first, it's clearly violated bottom side. Then it is broken upside.
Yeah,
So
but the body break has not happened. No,
violated
that's
lah.
no.
While it is violated, right? Whether body break is happening or not. So you have a swing low like this, for example. The
Okay,
next
okay, huh.
candle is going like this.
Hmm.
It's clearly violated. Whether body is going or wick is going, that doesn't
Okay,
really matter.
okay.
Here, what happened? No, it is like upside
Yeah,
break
I think
happened.
this 4, 5, 6 has there is there no 1 or 4, 5, 6,
Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm.
All candles I have marked. I think,
Mm.
and in that area, after because that area was broken above side, right?
Yeah.
And above side, and in that was the retest point. That big
Right.
red candle was the retest point.
Right.
That time I have marked in 1 minute, and in 1 minute I have got
Oh.
4, 5, 6.
Okay.
That in that I have taken the buy entry,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
which is failed.
Oh. Okay.
So
So this is the point, the retest point. In this retest point, you took a buy entry based on 456.
yeah. Actually, one just below that I have taken, because
Maybe
I
maybe
have got
somewhere
the
here.
4, 5, 6 in 1 minute. Just little bit below I have taken.
But the
Because
the thing here is, when we saw no in that red candle, actually there is no upside break of 456. That's why I'm wondering how you took a trade.
okay,
Little bit.
in 1 minute also not there.
I think so, because this is
5 minutes.
this is the retest point. You maybe from here you try to look at trade,
Yeah.
or maybe little bit below from try to take a buy entry, right?
Yeah.
From this break and
After the
retest.
retest happened, yeah.
But it seems we don't have. Let's see whether we hiring or not in a 1 minute chart.
1 minute, 5.
Because this is the point, the retest point. Okay, after retest point, it went down only directly, and you can see it has been breaking the downside. And but you said 6 p.m. 6 p.m. It's I think far.
6:24. 6:24.
6
Yeah.
6:34. That is like even in a MetaTrader, if you see, if I take a MetaTrader, we choose the MetaTrader time. As per MetaTrader time, 6 a.m. will be somewhere here.
No. 6 p.m. p.m.
MetaTrader will.
6:24 p.m.
I mean,
Okay.
6:34 me 18:34.
18:30. Yeah.
Okay.
6 p.m. Yeah.
Okay. I thought 6 a.m. So 18:34.
24. 18:24.
18:24. Okay.
Yeah.
18:24 will be. I think it will be somewhere here. Nineteen 43, 18. You can see here. This is actually the same area.
Hmm.
This is 1820 actually. So somewhere
Hmm.
here you took a buy entry.
Just before that, is there any 4, 5, 6 break
Oh, based on
before?
this, maybe the previous break you would have taken.
Yeah.
Okay.
That previous
Okay.
break, and that was the retest point, no?
So that's the reason you took a trade. Okay.
Yeah.
But in 456 you should always look for the new one.
Yeah. Because I got to know, because there was previous break, and one candle sustained above also, right?
Right.
And that time, and that was a perfect 4, 5, 6 break above side, and that retest point I've taken the trade.
Right.
Yeah, I got to
Okay. Okay. That's the point. Okay. Okay.
know.
Right. So this is what you actually asked. So when you
Yeah.
have a 1 hour level like this,
Yeah.
and 456 is created, and that is broken,
Hmm.
retested, again it is coming inside, means I told you like you should look for one more 456.
Hmm.
After that only you have to take a trade. So
Yeah.
here, but here it is not retested at all.
Yeah, yeah,
So
it
that's
will
the
not
reason
now.
you took a direct trade. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Understood. So since it is not retested, you took a direct trade.
Yeah.
That is totally agreeable. But
Hmm.
this 456,
Hmm.
uh, is it created inside the important level? No. What do you mean by that? Like for example, I have a 456. I have a swing high here.
Hmm.
Swing high broken. Retest 456 is created.
Hmm.
And break, I'm taking a trade.
Hmm.
So here two level check. First level check, I have a higher time frame swing high.
Hmm.
And inside that higher time frame swing high, I'm getting the 456 in 1 minute.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
based on that, I'm taking a trade.
So this is not within that 456.
No. This is like an
No,
impulsive candle.
no, no. If you go to 1 hour and if you can mark that 456 can level.
Mhm. That is a green candle.
No,
That's a
no.
previous
All
breaking.
456. All
Yes,
456
that's what I'm telling. If you mark
in
that,
1 hour. In 1 hour.
ha, that is the even if I take everything maybe like this. Okay,
Hmm.
if I go 1 hour, where is that? Ah, that is part of. Can you see the box?
Hmm.
Part of this big candle.
No, if you mark this all 456, what I'm telling,
Hmm.
this 1 2 3 4 5, if you can mark it
1 hour
all
level
four,
you are saying
no,
1 2 3.
1 hour 1 2 3 4 5 6, yes, all you mark with a rectangle and then go to 1 minute. So that level is coming within 1 hour 4 5 6, right?
That's what I'm saying. This is already violated, right? You marked the failed 456. I mean, in 1 hour
Okay,
456 itself failed first of all. Okay, this
okay.
1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is one you are
No, no,
saying.
no, 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 no. One that should be actually two. That is two, yeah, two. 1 2 3 4 5 6.
1 2 3
Big candle is the sixth candle,
4 5
yeah,
6. Then also you don't see the 456 break, right?
yeah.
Where is the 456 break?
Yeah, no, no, no. I think I'm confused. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Previous one is the 4 5 6.
Uh,
1 2 3 4
even
5
if
6.
even if you consider this, okay, that's okay because it's a perfect level. One two
Yeah, yeah.
three
1 2 3 4
4
5
5
6.
6 perfect level, but it is not broken upside.
E-
Okay, but this
Yeah, but
pre
if we are taken this 1 2 3 4 5 6.
1 2 3
Yeah,
and
four
even
five
4 5
six.
6 if you take,
Huh.
this is violated actually. I mean, violated means you can say that it is broken down double side. I mean, it's not actually broken. It went down means it gone below this. It gone below this 4 5 6, and
Oh,
afterwards it's gone above this 4 5 6.
okay, okay.
Okay, so it is like a double side manipulation. So we will discuss that maybe in the.
If you can mark this whole area, this third, fourth should be, yeah, 1 2 3, then 3 4 4. This is four candle 4 5 6.
Yeah, 4 candle 4 5 6 or
Four
5
candle.
candle 4 5 6 I believe. Yeah, four
No,
candle
this
4
is
candle.
four candle. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, 4 candle.
So, but that area, if you can mark and you go to 1 minute,
Hmm.
if you can go to 1 minute, full, you draw full.
Yeah, I'm drawing full.
Yeah.
I'm going 1 minute. Let's go back.
So that 4 5 6 break happened in that level. No, see above side 4 5 6 break happened. No.
You, but your, the thing here is that 4 5 first it is broken downside,
Yeah.
then it went up,
Hmm.
then went down, then it's
Okay,
gone up.
okay.
Okay, and then it's
So
created 4 5 6.
I took actually from the highest point, so highest point break and
Mm.
that retest.
Yeah,
That retest, highest point, as soon as it broke, I have given the retest.
yeah.
Okay. So according to, if I, because I was considering only body break, not the wick break. Like I was having the confusion that if the body is only breaking by the 4 5 6 or the swing high, then only I should you just told no, this is a failed. So why it is failure? Because wick also gone below.
Yeah,
But
because
I was only considering the body till now.
okay, this is very for a swing point also this is applicable actually. Swing
Okay.
point, when you take a swing highs and swing lows, when you see
Hmm.
the next candle, like if it is gone like this above this week,
Hmm.
See, the point here is you have to always understand one simple thing: swing highs and swing lows are cannot be broken,
Hmm.
should not be broken at any cost. That's when
Okay.
only then we can consider that that's a swing lows and swing high. But when you see something like this go like this, the
Hmm.
lows are broken, even though it is not a break.
Okay.
It's not a
I think
body
that
break.
there is one more strategy, week broken by week, right? This
Yeah,
comes under.
yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so the thing here is you have that, it went down means, why we are saying swing low, because every swing low below there's a turning point is happening.
Hmm.
Market is turning from that point, sellers becoming buyers or buyers becoming a seller. So the lot of money is present below this, because
Okay.
it need more effort to turn the market. So
Hmm.
more effort is there. So when suddenly the next candle is coming down and wicking through this means the money is taken. Money is taken means this swing low is no longer valid.
So this, like, if I could have considered the wick also to be broken, then maybe if I don't consider this, that wick
Mm,
has broken below side,
mm.
that time my entry point was correct, right?
Yes, definitely.
My 456 break
Yes,
and entry.
yes,
If
because
I
you have a 456 here,
yeah.
upside break happened, so that's your
Huh.
buying level.
Okay,
From
but
that,
it has not worked just because the wick has broken and I have not considered
yeah,
that.
because you may
Okay.
not you noticed this because it's a week, right? So you may not
Yeah,
notice
yeah.
it. So that's the reason
Actually,
it.
I did not know that I have to check the wick also.
Mm,
What maybe you should have told, but I have misunderstood that. That I was thinking only the swing high or 456 should have broken by the body.
okay,
So
okay.
wick also means it has gone below. So I
Yeah,
should have taken
it
it
is
in mind.
took the
Yeah.
money below, so that
Yeah,
is,
yeah.
why it is going, why should it go below the week, below the, swing low, because
Hmm.
to take the money. So
Hmm.
once it take the money, that is no longer considered as the, important level, evil level. So
Hmm.
same thing happening here.
So ideally, I should not have taken the trade only.
Yes,
But in this point,
but
if
you
I
have
would have taken the sell entry,
mm,
it would have given me great profit, right?
yeah.
But in what consequences I would have taken, or like what should be the parameters that I should have considered to sell it, to take a sell entry?
As soon as it's the swing is broken here, this is the buying point, right?
Okay.
As per you, this is the buying point, but that is failed.
Hmm. Yeah.
Technically, from
But
here,
in 1 hour, that is a main buying point. That is 456 broken above side, right?
yeah,
So that is a buying point. I
yeah.
mean, swing high. Also, there was one more swing high which is broken. Swing low which is broken upside. Plus 4 5 in 1 hour. I'm telling, in
Mm,
1 hour, swing low broken upside plus 4 5 6 broken upside.
mm,
So that area is meant for buying, right?
yeah.
So even if I consider in 1 minute 4 5 6 broken below,
Mm.
I cannot take a sale entry, right? Because it's a buying level.
Absolutely, absolutely. See that if it is not gone through this bottom,
Okay.
it's a perfect buying level. You cannot
Okay.
sell here, but here
Yeah.
you can see it is like it's already
Broken.
went
Yeah.
down, went up.
Yeah.
So that's a
Yeah,
point.
so that's why it's failed, I understood, but
Mm,
what I'm telling, uh, although I if I would have want to take a sell entry,
mm.
then 1 hour also should be a selling level, right? I
Yes,
cannot
yes,
take
yes,
a
yes,
sell
yes.
entry with a 4 5 6 upside
You
break.
cannot, you
Also, there
cannot.
is a swing low upside break.
Huh.
Also, but in 4 5 6, I am getting downside break. I
Mm.
cannot take a sell entry there
Yes,
here,
yes,
right?
yes.
Like, for to take a sell entry in 1 hour
One
also,
hour.
either swing low should broken below,
Mm.
or 4 5 should 6 should broken below, or there should be any swing high
Right,
which is broken below, that should be there. After that only we are going to consider 4 5 6.
right, right.
But since the in 1 hour it was 4 5 6 broken up upside, or swing low broken up upside, I should not have considered this level as a swing, as a buy selling
Yeah,
level, right?
definitely. Because if
Okay.
you see some from the buying level, you should obviously looking for the buying only. So
Huh.
irrespective of, you have a 1 hour level like this, and market is
Hmm.
gone above and coming down. It is creating 4 5 6 sell,
Hmm.
4 5 6 sell, don't sell,
Hmm.
4 5 6
Hmm.
don't sell, and 4 5 6 upside break. From there, you should look
Hmm.
for only buy. So since it is a
Hmm.
selling, I cannot sell because it's a 1 hour
Yeah,
buying
yeah,
level.
yeah,
But
yeah, yeah.
But in that situation, that is, we don't know whether it's a buying level or selling level, because market is going down and going up also.
If we take only we consider only 1 minute 4, 5, 6 and take a blind trade, then it's a different story. But
Ha.
ideally we should not have, because the market could have reversed any time.
Yes.
It has worked that time, but it could have reversed any time to the upside, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
ideally we shouldn't have taken the sell entry there.
Yes. Absolutely.
Okay.
Right. So I think that is the weak part, is the confusion.
Yeah.
So you
I understood
you
that.
know, if you see something like this,
Hmm.
don't consider that as a swing high or swing low. If you see
Yeah.
something like this,
Hmm.
like this,
Hmm.
even two candles, even a two
Hmm.
candles, not three, that candle is not necessary. If
Hmm.
you see like this, if you see like this, and if you see like this, something like this, uh, body broken upside, wick broken
Hmm.
downside.
Hmm.
So these are, peculiar situations.
Means first it went below, then went above. So I
uh,
should not consider this as a break.
you cannot consider, you can consider the upside break is happened, but you don't know what will happen. When you see the situation, you don't know next what will happen.
Hmm.
That's the point. When you see this, this, and the third one, you need to understand that I don't know what will happen next. So based on
Hmm.
this, I cannot decide buy or sell. I don't know what will
Hmm.
happen next. So you need to wait for the next candle, a future candle, to give clear break or something like that. So for example,
Yeah.
if you
Well, because one thing I have faced here, because when I was taking trade only because of like swing 4 hour 15 minutes,
ha
1 hour
ha,
5 minutes, only swing point break or up like failed swing points,
right, right,
I was getting so many confirmation. I used to take 5, 6 trades. Now, if I consider this 4, 5, 6 strategy only on, especially only on one currency,
mm,
I'm not getting much opportunity, so I cannot trade.
mm,
Maybe I was waiting for one trade, and I have taken like by the time I have checked that 10 minutes has passed,
mm,
uh, because that first you shown me, in MetaTrader,
uh-huh,
that actually given 100 points, but
uh-huh,
that time by that time 10 like 1 hour candle has completed and it has already
mm,
worked,
mm,
and it has already given. So
mm,
if I would have waited, if I could have taken the entry based on that, okay, this has gone far below, although the 1 hour breaking candle is not completed, I can take that entry because 4, 5, 6 has is broken above side. Maybe I would have captured 100 points, but I was waiting for 1 hour candle to complete, 1 hour
oh,
breaking
okay,
candle
okay,
to
okay,
complete.
ha ha ha,
So 1 hour breaking candle to complete, then by that time just that moment happened, so I
right.
could not take the trade there. Then again this trade has failed, so I'm not getting much trading opportunity to trade. Also I was, yeah.
The simple, if you see that, that is a kind of a parallel candles also created. That is a point number one. And evening time, especially the news time. So news times, whatever candle candle, that will be manipulation candle. It will be manipulating you. So that is what happened actually. So
Yeah,
it 1 hour it broke happened, and afterwards market reversed. Actually, you were waiting for that
yeah.
1 hour break, and afterwards
Hmm.
you wanted to trade, but afterwards market went down, right? it
Yeah.
it completely went down because of that news time manipulation.
Next time manipulation.
So
Okay.
the
Because I what I want that you told me to, because uh, to restrict the number of
right, right,
trades, right? Now I can take crazy trade, but in that like funded account I cannot do that. So
yes,
only one trade I have to be confident about that. Okay, this trade if I take 80% or 90%, it's going to give me winning rate. Also there should be chances of failure as well. So I wanted to focus on only one currency first. So I wanted to test whether whatever I'm learning, that is exactly going to work. Then only I will get the confidence, right?
right, right.
So for that, but I'm not getting much opportunities to trade. So how to overcome the situation now?
No, you are saying you are not getting opportunity. Actually, you are trading in a 1 minute chart. Many people are trading in the higher time frame, and they are still
Huh.
saying that we are not getting opportunity. I don't know what to say, because
Okay.
You know the
No,
thing.
what I'm asking you is that instead of focusing on one currency, maybe if I focus on two, three currencies, but then again we'll divert the.
You
No.
know, if you
Yeah.
are good at multitasking, you can always do it. But I'm not good at that. That's why I'm
Mm-hmm.
concentrating only one currency. Because
So,
you know.
so even if I don't get much opportunities to trade, it's fine. You are
Hmm?
saying like even if I get only one opportunities in a day or maybe two opportunities in a day, even though it's failed,
Mm.
like am I going in the right direction or I should take more trades? Is
First
this
of
at
all,
this
this
point?
is the thing. You cannot expect always. Every day you will be getting opportunity from the particular pair. You will not get it, but you will get it. But you will get it in on time. Maybe like early morning or
Yeah,
maybe
yeah,
like
yeah.
midnight. So
Maybe
if
by the time that opportunity has passed, by
yes,
the time.
yes,
Yeah, yeah.
maybe you cannot always available also. So that is the
Yeah,
point.
yeah, yeah. Hmm.
If you are in my place, of course you will only focus the Euro USD, to be
Huh.
frank, because I'm full time doing the trading.
Hmm.
So but you are in a working employee, so definitely you
Hmm.
cannot focus one currency. You have to look for the multiple opportunities. But
Hmm.
looking for the multiple currencies and getting multiple opportunities is always good. At the same
Hmm.
time, we need more screen time also, right? So
Hmm.
you have to go through the multiple charts, and
Hmm.
you should not get confused. I mean, in
Hmm.
the beginning you'll be having the confusion because you are going through the multiple charts
Hmm.
simultaneously. uh, but over the period of time you will learn, and you will you will master that. So
So
go.
now, what you suggest? Whatever I'm doing, like
You are,
concentrating on only Euro
now
USD, and
I'm,
even if yeah,
because I'm worried about you right now is because you are feeling bad about the not getting the trade in the demo account, as well as the in the during the crazy times, crazy trades.
uh, yeah.
That is I'm
No,
little
what
worried.
I see now, my concern is I'm getting losses. That does not matter because I
I'm
have
not talking about
prepared my
loss. You know.
yeah, because I have prepared my mind. Okay, I will
Mm,
get losses obviously, and even if I am now getting losses, the more number of losses I will get, I will learn more.
mm.
So I prepared like that. But if I don't get the opportunities only, so
That's what I'm
how?
telling. If you are done
Yeah,
getting opportunity, there is no trade day.
yeah,
That is a
yeah.
kind of mindset. That is different mindset actually, because many
Okay.
people cannot adapt to that. In that
Yeah.
case, if you feel like or I'm sitting in front of, after coming from the office, I'm sitting in front of the computer, but I'm not getting any opportunity. That is a frustrating. I understand, totally understand. But in that time, maybe if you feel like that, maybe you can go through different charts. But the thing,
Okay.
what I'm trying to say here is, at some point of time, you will not get any opportunity of all currencies.
Yeah.
That time, that time you will understand the reality. Okay, sometimes
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
not get any opportunity. That time, you
So,
entire day will
so
sit.
now I wanted to ask you that
Hmm.
previously I was taking 10, 15 trades, even
Right,
all like before, like future trades, right?
right, right, right.
Whatever swing low break I
Uh,
was considering. Now only I'm considering based on 4, 5, 6,
right,
not even the
right.
swing low break, even if I'm not considering that, or that pressure candle break also, dominant candle, that also I'm not considering. Only swing high, swing low, 4, 5, 6 break. I'm considering that. Maybe one strategy I'm following up.
Mm,
So following now.
mm,
So maybe if I follow
mm,
other strategies, because when the dominant candle, green dominant candle was created, I
mm,
could have taken that dominant candle 4, 5, 6
mm,
strategy. I
mm,
could
mm,
have checked, right. So maybe if I would have, because what I am facing right now,
mm,
that if I am checking, concentrating on one strategy,
mm,
so by the time I am fixing up all the setups, that the swing low break, then 4, 5, 6 already happened.
mm,
By that time, maybe the dominant candle would have created,
mm.
and that strategy, if I would have followed, that has given
Mm.
another 4, 5, 6
Ah.
based on dominant candle,
Mm,
and that has already worked.
mm.
So what to follow now, or I should consider both, like it was because 1 minute is a very tiny time frame, right? So I have to quick, maybe I'm not able to do it more quickly.
Okay.
So that if I increase my work
First of
efficiency,
all,
maybe.
do you have a time to sit? How many hours you are sitting actually? I mean, during after office hours, or maybe like how many hours you can spend with the market?
So 2 hours, maybe. Yesterday I almost spent 6 hours.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, but generally I have 2 hours. So what I was thinking to actually make a lie to office and take one month work from home,
Okay.
so I can take more trades
Hey, yaar,
and
what are you
can
doing?
concentrate.
Don't lose your job.
No, no. Even if I lose my job, I know, like, I know, like, I can do freelancing, but yeah, again, it will take some time, but it's okay.
Okay,
But because to get something, we have to sacrifice something. So
right.
what I'm feeling, maybe either I should leave my job and I should concentrate for 2 months from now, and maybe
Let
the
me tell you, you don't do that kind of stuff because it's a long path.
hmm,
Trading is a long path. Obviously
yeah, yeah.
you are already dedicating a lot of time for that.
Hmm,
That is much appreciated because nobody spend that much time. Usually the working employees. But
hmm,
my suggestion is if you want to follow anyone,
hmm,
so let's say you can only concentrate on 2 hours in a day. in
hmm,
that in that situation you can obviously you can swing break or retest
hmm.
456. If already swing break happened, then you can directly look for the 456. That's the one thing you are going to do. But if it is not happening, so dominant candle break and retest, where you can look for the 456. But the point here is I want to maybe we can do like this. So maybe in the weekends you try to find the potential setups based on the 4 hour
Hmm,
break, 4 hour retest.
hmm,
So where you put all entries, maybe in the weekend you put
hmm,
advanced entries on the 4 hour
hmm,
level. Okay, because still
hmm,
that strategy still works.
hmm,
I'm not telling that it is not working. It is still working.
hmm,
You put
hmm,
it that you
hmm,
keep those entries, and whenever you find the time, you look for the dominant candle 456 or maybe swing break 456.
hmm.
You place advanced entries with that setup, and you whenever you have finding time, you look for this 456 within that those levels. So you do both. You do
So
both.
dominant candle. Sorry, come again. Last point.
What I'm telling, first you do the 3 candle break, 3 candle retest in 4 hour
Hmm,
chart. That you do
hmm,
in the weekend. You place
hmm,
advanced entry because it's a demo account, nobody cares. Okay,
hmm,
so put advanced entry, and
hmm,
you forget that. Then every
hmm,
day when you have a time, 2 hours, maybe 3 hours time, free time, at that time you look for the dominant candle break, dominant candle retest, or if already any 3 hour already in 1 hour swing break happened, and while we are watching the retest is happening, then you look for the 456, something like that. So dominant candle break you can always get. Regularly you will be getting break retest, each candle break, each
Okay,
candle
this
retest.
is live market you are telling.
Live
Like
market
in
is
weekends, I will take all the future trades in
ah
live market, either dominant candle break, or
or
if it
the
is swing point break is
yeah.
happening or retest is happening, that time I can take a trade.
Yes, but the
Okay.
thing here is, to apply the 456 and dominant candle 456, you have to be there, right? You have to be there. You have to watch, and
Yes,
all
yes,
those things you need
yes,
to do.
yes. I actually want to do, because I think watching and the market will give me more confidence,
Right.
because the more I experience losses, because now I'm in a situation. Okay,
Mm.
even if I open my first trading account, I'm ready to for the first account to lose,
Mm,
because
mm.
obviously I cannot master everything at
Right.
1 month
Right.
or two
Mm.
months, right? So even the first account I'm losing, I'm okay with that. But I will learn at least something. I will learn from that account. But obviously, I will not try to do that. But I will get the essence of trading in a live market, right?
Yes. Yes. That is
So
important actually.
so. Hmm.
You see, like for example, like this 3 candle break, 3 candle retest, you don't hesitate to put. You still do that because that anyways we are going to target only 100 points for
Hmm.
each trade.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
you don't hesitate to do that. You keep those things parallelly.
Hmm.
That is for a one time job, right? Like in a
Hmm.
weekend you can search for the all 36 currency pairs or for 40 currency
Yeah.
pairs. You can put entries, keep on. You don't put like a standard lot, maybe like a micro lot entry you put
Yeah.
to differentiate, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
All your live entries you'd risk with the standard lot, maybe.
Yeah. 40 currencies is not possible, but at least 4 5 currencies I can
Yeah,
I can trade.
for example sake I'm telling because it's a one time job. If you put
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
no in Sunday, and the next 1 week you don't need to bother about that.
Yeah.
Whether it is hitting slap loss or whatever,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah. I was doing that. So previously I was doing that. So what problem I faced then? Whenever after 1 week or 10 days,
Mm.
my entry is getting triggered.
Mm.
By that time, the situation would have changed.
Okay.
The maybe I would have taken the entry based on some swing low break or something. But now at the current situation, maybe I have put a buy entry. But now that one more swing high is created and that is violated currently. So maybe my entry would have got triggered without checking the current situation, and it is a loss. Sometimes it is a loss, or most of the time it is a profit
Right,
also.
right.
I'm not telling that, but I don't know after 1 week what will happen, right? So
Because the thing, no, you when you do live trading, you will obviously experiencing something, that is one,
hmm,
and you
hmm,
will also come to know whether your strategy is really working or not in live trading,
hmm.
or
Yes,
or
yes,
can you
yes, yes,
really able to apply it or not.
yes,
So if
yes.
suppose if it is not giving you the comfortable situation in live trading, when
Hmm,
you do the 456 or dominant candle 456,
hmm,
then you can always compare this strategy with the other one, how that other one is performing, right? So
hmm,
if you are comfortable with the other one, even
hmm,
though that is a huge risk is associated,
hmm.
then obviously you can stick with the other one. If you want to do this,
Hmm.
you can stick with the other one. So by the way, you don't need to quit your job. You can parallelly
Yeah, no,
do
I
that thing.
actually in office also sometimes I get free time, no,
Mm.
but I cannot open because my office laptop is different, so I
Right,
cannot
right,
open it and check the market. Everyone will think what she is doing in office time.
right,
Everyone will. So I thought like, if I even get the work from home or any other work
right.
from home kind of
Parallelly
job,
you can.
so I can, yeah, so I can invest at least 5 6 hours per
Right,
day.
right,
Because sometimes we get and chit chat will happen, that time will be utilized.
right.
So I'm not sure about the possibility. At least 1 month I need like that to concentrate.
Mm.
If I can concentrate 1 month and learn the like apply this strategy more and more and watch the market, I think after that I can continue as it is. But that's what I was thinking actually.
Okay. Okay, but then don't quit your job, okay? As long as because trading is always, it's double-edged sword
Risky.
actually. Some initially you will feel better, then you will be, you feel like, sometimes you feel like frustrated. Why I'm doing this? Because I'll tell you, last week I lost my account.
Okay.
Last week I was traveling, no, so during that time, actually I
Hmm.
did not tell you, but I lost my account. Lost my account means I made a loss, huge loss, and my funded
Okay.
account is gone.
Okay. Okay. Funded trader.
Yeah, funded account, not funded next. Funded next.
Funded next year.
Yeah, I had an account. I mean, I still have other account, but
Hmm.
the my old account that I lost. I made a loss
Okay.
because of, it's not because of strategy failure, or it's because not because of the market. It's because of ego.
Ego.
Ego. Sometimes when market will tell you, market will tell you don't put the entry here,
Huh.
then it will test your ego, like, or what you are saying, I am putting the entry.
Ah.
Market will give the symptoms. For example, like, it is, let's say it is create 456 like this,
Hmm.
and you get like maybe like a wick like this.
Hmm.
Okay, now it is already violated
Hmm.
in my language.
Hmm.
Sometimes you feel like that. Okay, there is a swing high is created. Okay, and swing low is created here. So I took a buy entry. I took a buy entry here because I thought, okay, it will go up. Market has already told you that don't. It is, this level is violated, so don't. You know. Uh,
Violated means it should be a buying level only, no?
yes, but in the selling level,
Yeah.
you
So
know,
if that if the
one of,
456 is violated upside, if I take a sell entry from that point, that is a like that time it will be a problem.
right. So here, this is the selling level. Actually, selling level, big selling
Yeah.
level. Within
Hmm.
the selling level, I'm getting this kind of weak.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, kind of weak. So this is obviously, this level is violated.
Hmm.
I mean, it is a still selling level, but it
Hmm.
is violated. So we'll be looking for the next 456 to break down. So what I
Ah.
did
Okay.
is, after by seeing this, and I got something like this.
Hmm.
Okay, in the next candle I bought. I bought and I put my stop loss. I traded with 5 standard lot.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, then market went up.
Hmm.
Then original direction is original level is selling level.
Hmm.
It created like this,
Ayo.
and I everything is gone. My stop loss limit is reached, and
Okay.
I have given one job to monitor. I told my wife to monitor this.
Hmm.
She
Hmm.
she was watching the Instagram reels, and she didn't monitor my laptop, so
Okay, okay.
it's gone.
Ayo.
So it was
Shit,
frustrating thing,
shit.
and then the thing is it happens, but
Ah, yeah,
I
yeah.
still have other account, uh, so no issues. But the thing is, it happens. It will definitely happen. Even though you may be the big guy, you may be the like all everything. You maybe have the
Yeah,
10 years
yeah,
experience. Whatever you are, it's going to happen. Shit happen. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. But at least if I if I can apply my strategy and it's working,
Ha.
then I'll be more confident. Okay, even though today I'm making losses,
Yeah.
I'm losing my account.
Mm.
I'll create another one. I'll get profit tomorrow.
Yes.
So I will have that. Even though it's taking one more month
Mm,
time,
mm.
it's fine. So, but what I felt that I'm not giving proper time to learn this.
I had a same feeling when I quit my job.
Hmm.
When I quit my
Okay.
job, I had the same feeling. I wanted to quit this. This was
Hmm.
happened before the
Hmm.
2018 during that time, 18 19 during the time. I wanted to desperately quit my job. I wanted to jump into the trading.
Hmm.
You know, that is what my I had a that kind of feeling because I was my job itself managing the money only.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was a trader. I was a trader. Then
Okay.
I have been relocated. I mean, relocated means
Oh.
I have been assigned to the other, you know, things like a relationship manager kind of thing.
Hmm.
Which I don't like it.
Okay.
I don't like it because I wanted to sit in front of the computer. I want to trade the market. That is the thing I wanted. But I did
Hmm.
it for 1 year with that company. Then they have put me into the because I had a marketing background. Back then I was working in the company as a marketing executive.
Okay.
So they put me into the relationship officer, like canvassing the clients to make them to invest with
Hmm.
our company. So that kind of job
Hmm.
they have put. So I frustrated that I don't want to do this. I want to do this alone. So then I quit my job and I jumped into the trading. When
Hmm.
I jumped into my own trading, then only I started to realize that how psychology will be. Because earlier I was managing the money of the people, so that's not
Hmm.
my
Hmm.
money. And
Hmm.
for managing that, for trading using that money, I'm getting paid, and I'm
Hmm.
even getting commission for the profits. Whatever the profits are
Hmm.
making, they used to give the commissions, good
Hmm.
commissions. So
Hmm.
that was very good because morning I go manage their money, evening I come. So
Hmm.
fixed salary and a fixed thing, commissions are
Hmm.
used to come. But when I started to do my own, then the fear started to, even though many things, fear started to come because it's your money, you cannot risk, you cannot
Hmm. Hmm.
lose, and you don't have job right now. If you risk
Hmm.
your savings, then you will be end up with you know bankrupt,
Right,
right?
right. Yeah, yeah.
Right, you will be in insolvent. So
Hmm.
all those things started to haunting me, and
Hmm.
I was really struggling back then. Then
Hmm.
slowly I catched up because I had a skill. That's why I escaped.
Hmm.
If I don't had a skill, don't get me wrong, because you are just right now you are a beginner, right? So
Yeah,
so
yeah,
you may not
definitely.
have that much skill, even though
Yes,
you
yes,
have a
yes, yes.
knowledge. Skill is different, knowledge is different,
Yes, yes,
skill is different,
definitely. Yeah.
right? So
To have that skill only, I'm thinking to
I
quit.
understand, but it slowly it will come, definitely it will come.
Yeah, yeah.
If you, because you are doing good job, you are already doing spending lot of hours, even though you don't have that much hour, you are working. So that will definitely paying off, there is no doubt.
Hmm.
Some people, like, they will learn, they will simply sleep after learning. I mean,
Hmm.
they don't even like ask a question. They will learn the strategy, then they will forget. But you are the one where you are putting the effort, so definitely your skill will improve, no doubt. But what I'm suggesting is, you may feel like that I'm doing this because of that I'm not able to concentrate the trading,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So
That's
that
feeling
is,
only I'm having.
that is it's like you are trying to put yourself in the uncomfortable situation, because
Yes.
when you put yourself in the uncomfortable situation, from that uncomfortable situation you will gain something. So that is the most of the people's like.
Also, like I am feeling like when I get time, maybe that is the not right time to trade,
Hmm.
because I am coming around like 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. After the sometimes
Right.
I have a class with you.
Hmm.
Then sometimes even if it's not there, like I get time only in the night, like after 11 o'clock,
Hmm. Hmm.
and that time market is slow, so
Yeah.
I cannot experience the strategy. Even I apply the strategy,
Hmm.
I cannot experience it immediately. Maybe I have put a stop loss. I have. The market is not moving up only 20 30 points,
Right.
50 points it's move.
Right.
So immediately within like 15 minutes 20 minutes my trades are going on even the next day.
Right.
Maybe it's the stop loss hit or maybe the take profit hit. So I am not able to apply the strategy because of the
Because of
time
the
zone.
time
Yeah,
constraint. Yeah. Yeah.
because if I am
Totally understand.
working, yeah, if even if I'm trading, I'm same time I'm investing between like daytime
Hmm.
or 9:30 to 6:30,
Hmm.
maybe I would have experienced much more. But since because of the time,
Hmm.
I'm not able to trade in a properly,
Hmm.
like
Hmm.
because in
Hmm.
the night time that's very slow time.
Right.
So that's the reason.
Yeah, understand. I understand, but okay, I'm telling my experience, but not my
Yeah, yeah,
experience going to be everyone's experience.
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no,
So
no. I have to do something with it.
yeah, yeah, I understand totally. Okay.
So when you do live trading, if you one day you can connect and
We will
maybe.
do. We will do. We will do. No issues. We will. Actually, I'm planning to do that because people are also asking to do the live trading.
Hmm.
When I do, no,
So
I will.
usually, like I have a option to take a work from home once in a week. So
Okay.
it's not required always, but
Uh huh.
I usually sometimes take
Mm.
one day work from home.
Mm-mm.
So that day maybe we can connect for a live trading. Maybe mostly it is on Wednesday or uh, Tuesday maybe,
Wednesday. Okay.
or
I
Tuesday.
okay. So uh, you, because usually if I do live trading, no, it will
Hmm.
be in the evening session, like
Okay, okay.
morning. Mostly it won't be there because of other things.
Hmm.
Evening, like usually we do Wednesday actually. Wednesday or Thursday we'll do.
Hmm.
We will do it. Okay, no issues. I will inform because a lot of people are still asking. We did in the past 1 year we did, but then we have stopped. I have stopped actually
Hmm. Hmm.
because of I wanted freedom. That's the reason.
Yes, yes, yes.
But we will do it. Maybe with a small circle of people we will do it because
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So Wednesday, if you can do, like Thursday is mostly the hectic date for me.
uh,
I have lots of
we used to do Wednesday. Every Wednesday we used to do earlier.
yeah.
So Wednesday is
Otherwise, whenever you take a trade, if you can share a screenshot, whenever possible,
right,
obviously,
right.
I will try to find which strategy you have applied. So
Sure,
maybe
sure.
that will again
I
give
I
more
I'll
point.
tell you. I'll only apply 456. But anyways,
Yeah,
no
yeah. But
issues.
where, which
Understood.
point you have taken, or maybe
Definitely, definitely.
I will try.
That is not an issue. I will share that. I will share
Mm.
that. You will get to know on what basis I am trading, and how I still not recovered from that last two account loss. Okay, so
Okay.
next week I'll be trading. Maybe next week
Mm.
whenever I trade, I will share you the screenshot where I took before I took a trade, and
Mm.
maybe after execution of trade and after
Mm.
closing of the trade, I will share. Maybe if possible, I will make a small video and I'll share with you also. If not, screenshot, because videos are more powerful when you see this in a live. I'll do that.
Mm.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, one more thing I think I have not noticed here.
mm-hmm,
I just now as you projected the screen, I've noticed that point. I have taken the trade. No, that is if you see 4, 5, 6, it's there.
mm-hmm.
But apart from that, it's a swing high, right? Swing high. Although the third candle of the swing high is within the second candle. No, just before that. Yeah, that is a swing high, right? 1, 2, 3
One,
swing
two,
high.
three. Yes.
Yeah, but third candle is within the
Yeah, yeah.
second candle.
Second candle.
Not
Yes.
appropriate candle. Can we consider this as a swing high?
Yeah, you can still consider, but the thing, you wanna see this is you know, it is like
It,
this, right?
yeah,
For example, first candle is like this, second candle is like this, third
yeah,
candle is almost like this.
yeah. So can I consider this as a swing high?
See, the consideration of the swing high is it depends upon the highs only.
Hmm.
If highs are having enough distance,
Ah,
like
okay.
10, 20, maybe it's a
Oh.
18.
Hmm.
Based on this, the value, numerical value only, you are considering that is a swing high or swing low. But apart from the
Hmm.
numerical value, you are seeing the pattern also. Pattern is like, if you see something like this, then obviously you don't need to doubt. You can consider that. But anything which is not look like this,
Hmm.
you need to like be skeptical
Thing.
about that.
Like
But
I can still consider this because there is enough distance between two
yeah,
candles,
yeah,
right?
yeah. See,
Yes, still.
price
But
wise,
what I did not notice here,
mm,
this swing high middle candle is already broken in the body break in the red candle. So that is actually that point is actually worked
this
in
one
the
you
red
see,
candle. Ha, middle candle that has already broken. No, no, in the red candle.
uh,
That is the middle candle of the swing high, no?
right? This is the middle candle. Green candle is a middle
Ah,
candle.
so that is already broken below side in the red, in the fourth red candle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
one, two,
So,
three.
so that middle candle break has already happened in the red
Middle
candle,
candle
right?
break is happening. Yes, yes.
So that has happened. So that means it's violated. I should not have considered that as a buying level again.
Right, right. Yeah, yeah. That is also.
That I have not checked
Yeah,
actually.
but we usually we look for a three candle break. But of course,
Hmm.
if you apply the middle candle logic, that is
Huh.
again broken. Yes.
Because 1 hour, this is
Yes,
1
yes,
hour.
yes,
So middle
yes.
candle break also you have to apply the logic.
Yes,
I
yes.
think.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And you notice something here also. The overall trend is still selling.
Selling, yeah, yeah. I noticed actually. Overall trend was selling, but in that yesterday it was buying, 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 buying.
Ha.
And I was thinking, okay, above 50%, shall I buy? Shall I buy? I thought, okay, let's buy.
Because even if you put like this kind of
Yeah.
if you connect
Hmm.
all these points,
Yeah, lower highs.
yeah, it is like
Yeah, I've checked from around I think 24th or 21st of April it was
uh,
selling. But yesterday it was buying, fully buying. Then again it
yes,
reversed.
yes, yes.
Mm.
So sometimes that is we have to include these considerations also, because uh, you never know what conditions will be fulfilling. By the way,
Hmm.
we so far whatever we discussed, everything is a it's about only the buying areas and selling areas. We never talked
Hmm.
about the trend in a detailed manner. So
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
trend inclusion, maybe that will helpful for you to see the market in another broader way.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So
Hmm.
when you incorporate those things, you will definitely like will not do this kind of small mistakes. So these mistakes will not come. And you see this, there is a previous swing high here, three candle break. It is already retested. That's okay. Retested, market went down. And
Yes, yes.
so I in the earlier in the today's session I told this, you can take a direct entry from two areas. One is from break retest, and second is from the 50 percentage.
Yeah.
See that one, 50
Yeah.
percentage of R3 candle,
Yeah.
and
So
50
from
percentage
that
of
also I can take a sell entry, right?
yes,
Because the break already has happened. If the break wouldn't have happened, I couldn't have taken the trade,
yep,
right?
yep.
Okay.
Middle candle, 50 percentage of middle candle direct entry, or 50 percentage of the 50 percentage of three candle, or 50 percentage of middle candle alone.
Hmm.
This is not always going to work, but
Hmm.
you can look for these areas, because 50 percentage is not only applicable, Fibonacci 50% is not only applicable for the swing high to swing low, it is applicable for the each swings also. Each swing you can try to apply that. So some direct entries people used to take like this. They mark all three candle, they mark 50 percentage of all three candle like this.
Ah,
Okay, by the way, they can reduce the stop loss little bit,
yeah.
not much. It's still big stop loss, it's 178
Yeah.
point. But if you totally see, it is like almost like a 400 point stop loss.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you can try to take a direct trade, or you can look for the 456 inside after touching this important the middle level. If you see that, maybe you could have taken the 4, 5, 6 entry, selling entry. You can see here. This is the middle candle, market touched, and you can see. Do we have any 4, 5, 6 here?
Yeah, we have, I
I
think.
think this one 1, 2, 3. No, we don't have here. Maybe here.
4, 5, 6 upside break we are having, no?
Oh, no, downside
Upside
break.
break.
Downside break, I'm asking.
Yeah, downside break.
Downside break. I think this is one. This one we can consider.
That is not
Maybe
there.
here.
Yeah, that one is there.
Yeah.
That is the swing high break, not the swing.
Yeah. So 1, 2.
Because the candles are almost similar. Like it's not
Yes.
properly swing low.
Yeah.
Upside break is proper swing low. Swing 4, 5, 6.
Mm,
First one, but after that the downside break one is not proper
not
swing
proper.
low.
Yeah. Yeah. It
So
did
yeah,
not created the 4, 5, 6 properly.
for
Yeah.
yeah.
For a sell side.
No, it's created actually in the just below that, but it is again upside break.
Upside break.
Just before that.
This one
Yeah,
was
that
upside break.
yeah, that is
But
also
selling
upside.
4, 5, 6 is not properly created.
Yeah.
Maybe in the
4,
1 minute
5.
it is not there. Maybe if I go 5 minutes, in that case, maybe 5 minutes also it is not there actually. Swing high.
It's kind of ranging.
Yeah, we don't have clear levels.
Clear levels,
One
yeah.
minute itself we don't have. It means 5 minutes we will not mostly have. So for the 50% entry.
No, here we have here at the last. 5
Here,
minutes, 5 minutes, 5
5
minutes.
minutes.
At the last we are having that level you mark, no, in 5 minutes. Small
This
swing, the indecision
1 to 3.
candle is there, no? Indecision candle, yeah, 4, 5, 6, yeah.
1 to 3. But
That is break.
break didn't
But
happen.
retest
I mean
not
retest
happen.
didn't happen. But
Retest
this is
not-
at least confirms that the sell is executed.
yeah.
Break happened. Maybe the next candle we can. Next candle is sustaining. Maybe next candle we can try to take.
This
a
is
swing.
8:30 candle,
Yeah.
yeah.
So this is also you can do. Usually, I used to tell like this: when you have swing low like this, 1, 2. Let's say it's a 4 hour
Hmm.
or 1 hour, whatever. Any time frame. So we have wick like this, wick like this, and wick like this. Let's say we have 3 weeks like this. So what are the areas I can look for buy? Direct buys. So for a direct buy, maybe upside also wick will be there. So you mark all 3 candle like this. First point is a 100% point. What is 100%? The top of the
Like direct means without break and retest.
without
right?
break and retest. I mean without what do you call the 4, 5, 6 I'm telling.
Without
Low.
4, 5, 6 break and retest.
3 candle break, 3 candle retest. So that is the thing.
Swing point. No, 3
Swing.
candle break retest also you don't have to consider, right?
Oh, no, retest we need to consider.
Okay.
Direct trade means you next candle you are trading, right? That I'm not talking.
No, after the break only we are
after the
considering,
break.
huh? Yeah,
After the break, retest. You are trading. You can trade from the 100%. This is the 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 100%. Now again the 50%. From total candle, 50% will be like this. This is the 50, in the entire box, 50%. Where you can try to buy.
So suppose we are checking where the break happened and the 100% retest also happened. The current price is within 50% or nearby that area.
Right.
So that time instead of that time, although it's not that point is not a break point, middle candle break or something, I can still put a direct entry. You are selling.
Because
Like suppose 100% already break happened, retest happened, and the market is coming down. That time we are not getting any 4, 5, 6, or maybe we are not getting any middle candle break. Also, that point 50% point is not the middle candle break point. So there is no confirmation. But since it's a 50% of all 3 candles, I can still put a direct entry.
You can do it.
Okay.
But again, this is not 100% always going to work. But because whenever you take a direct entry, you are directly risking everything. So that is the point you need to understand. So if you are buying from here, let's say next candle the wick is touched like this,
Hmm.
you are buying from here and you are
Hmm.
closing with a 100 point, that's fine.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
it's not guaranteed that every time it's going to work, because we have
Yeah,
seen
yeah.
70% sometimes works. So
Hmm.
let's say next time candle is coming down,
Hmm.
coming down, coming down,
Hmm.
and at 50% you will get some rejection
Hmm.
to the upside.
Hmm.
So you can buy here, maybe like you will get maybe like a one candle up movement, something like that.
Hmm. After buying, if it reverse and touch the
Yes,
hit stop loss,
yes.
it
After
can.
buying, it can go also. Okay, it
Yeah,
can,
yeah.
because not in a particular level, two different time you can buy in a particular
Hmm.
level. First time is top of the 100 percentage, and
Hmm.
second time 50 at 50 percentage.
Hmm.
Okay, some occasions you can buy from the uh, middle candle top also.
Okay.
So in a particular level, three different times, maximum three different times. So
Means middle candle break, three candle break.
and
Sorry,
three candle
yeah,
50
middle
percentage,
candle break, three candle break, and three candle half.
half, and most of the occasions middle candle top and
Hmm.
50 percentage of three candle will be same like this,
Yeah, yeah.
very near,
Hmm.
maybe like a very
Hmm.
near. So in
Hmm.
that case, you can trust the 50 percentage.
Hmm.
Sometimes the middle candle top and this will be kind of same.
Hmm.
So this two times you can try to take a
Hmm.
direct trades from the market, and the same two times you can try to apply the 456 also.
Okay.
456 every time it touch you can apply the 456.
Even though 456 is not there, I can take direct trade. But if it's 456, it's again another confirmation, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So you can look for 456 here, you can look for 456, because you asked sometimes here also 456 will create, here also 456, so many 456 will be creating. So
Uh,
sometimes that will be confusing. So you can wait for the 50 at 50 percentage. Do I get 456?
hmm.
Then you can take a buy, or maybe at this top I'm getting 456.
Hmm.
Then you can take a buy. You can avoid other 456s if you really want to avoid. Okay,
Sorry, come again this point.
this is like at particular level you will get multiple 456s.
Huh.
If you don't want to take every 456 because you want to take only one trade in a day, let's say, because
Huh.
you are preparing yourself for a funded account. Okay,
Hmm.
so in that case you don't want to take every 456. You want to take
Hmm.
only 456 when market touch the 50 percentage.
Hmm.
Okay, or maybe at the top. So only two trades. So like that you can restrict yourself.
Hmm.
You don't, because here also wick will be there. Here also 456 can create in 1 minute chart,
Hmm.
and here also wick can be there. Here also 456 can create market. Here also market 456 will create. Here also it will create. So if you try to take every trade,
Hmm.
every trade can go positive, no doubt. But sometimes some trade can go negative and you may lose money. So instead of taking every 456, focus on 50 percentage 456 and 100 percentage 456. Only two you focus, or only focus on 50 percentage 456. So something like that. You are putting restriction on yourself. I
Hmm.
don't want to trade every 456. I will be trading only on 50 percentage 456. Although you may not get more opportunities, but that is the kind of restriction you can put if you want. So that will help
Hmm.
you to reduce to take more trade. I mean, that will help you to reduce your what do you call, if you are someone you are trading more XYZ trades, so many trades you are taking, it will put you the restriction. You will restricted to take only few trades because the condition is not fulfilled. So
Sorry, come again this point.
I mean, you are like you don't, if you don't want to create a trade crazily,
Hmm.
but if you want to develop the discipline, I will be only taking few trades at
Hmm.
particular level, then you can
Hmm.
follow this. I will
Yes,
only
yes.
trade at 50 percentage,
Hmm. Yes,
or
yes.
I will only trade at 100 percentage. Only two occasions I'll be trading.
Hmm.
Remaining time, whatever highs, whatever 456 is created, I don't care.
Hmm.
So like that you can restrict yourself. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is one thing you can do. uh, Once we learned a few other things like imbalance concept and WBW strategy,
Hmm.
we'll get more levels to trade actually.
Okay.
In this particular level we'll be getting more levels to trade.
Hmm.
I don't know when I'm going to start that. It is kind of dragging, to be frank.
Hmm. Hmm.
If we complete that part, there are few parts: imbalance and liquidity, and
Hmm.
direction of the market, and
Hmm.
we do have a mitigation block, breaker block, order block, and WBW. Few so many things are there. We
Oh,
need
sorry.
to.
I actually kept interrupting.
No,
I
no, no.
think you
That
should.
is not an issue because whatever you learned, no, it is an implicit,
Yeah.
of those things.
Hmm.
Whatever I'm going to teach you, that is only a theory part.
Hmm.
The practical is already you already know that
Okay.
swing point and everything. If you know swing point, you know everything, because
Okay.
everything is swing point. So, but the logics are something different. What is the
Acha.
logic behind that? So
Hmm.
we will discuss, maybe if time permits in the next session. We will discuss. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the square root method yesterday we saw, no,
Yeah. Yeah. Square root.
that that also have more thing to do. Uh,
Yeah.
but
A lot of research also has to be done, and we have to incorporate that. Actually, I was trying that
uh,
when this level failed, so I got 44. I checked actually that swing high.
okay,
What is the I have calculated, and that is 44. I got the number.
okay,
Then 44. By the time in 1 minute,
okay,
it has crossed 694 points. So I checked how much 694 is like 44. So 44 into like, after that, what is the next 44 into 15? Like I got some 704 points.
okay.
So I was expecting some, whether 70.4 point I'm getting some important level or something.
Oh,
I was trying to choose that actually. Use that.
okay. Okay, that is, I think, kind of, still it is need more refinement and more
Yeah,
tools
yeah.
we need to put. I'm working on it. Maybe we will see that.
But first thing, no, first I have to fix the account, because in MetaTrader, my all my in 1 minute, especially 1 minute, 5 minutes, all my charts are like, because of that glitch only,
Mm,
not getting proper candles.
okay.
So even if I want to trade, I'm not able to trade in MetaTrader. 1 hour candles, 4 hour candles are fine, but
Okay.
5 minutes, 1 minute are. So I have to check in Trading View actually, but Trading View are not able to create the account. I did not get the OctaFX as an option.
The thing is, TradingView Octave is not available because OctaFS and all is not a kind of a elite brokers. They are like a
Hmm.
local brokers. They don't provide.
So, which broker you suggested me to go with TradingView?
I told you to, you have to seriously follow the MetaTrader only. You cannot further do your research on the TradingView because
Okay.
TradingView. You said that you want to use the TradingView, the broker who provides the TradingView, right? You said
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
But
Hmm.
that is not going to help you for a funded account because funding platforms, they
Hmm.
don't provide a TradingView actually.
Trading. Okay.
So if
Also,
you,
there are so many things in TradingView. It's totally confusing. If I only open the trade panel, there are like lots of things. My
you
profits are not visible. Yeah.
this TradingView actually designed for the stock market, to be frank. They
Okay.
have initially, they have started services for providing the stock market. So whatever you see the trading panel, most of them is, it is,
But
part.
comparing to MetaTrader, it's user friendly. Like all the blocks and the lines, I can draw easily.
Yeah.
But when I take the trade now in this panel, there are unrealized profit and loss. There
Uh-huh.
are
Yeah.
lots of things will be there in the columns. So
Yeah.
I have checked and I have removed everything from the column,
Okay.
because because there were volume, there were a
Yeah.
lots of things which I did not know. Also, right side there are live market status. I
Yes.
did not know how to remove that, so it was disturbing actually.
Actually,
um,
because it's designed for the stock market. In stock market only, these things like these terminologies will be there. I mean, in forex market also it is there, but here it is given in a different approach. I mean,
okay,
they
okay.
have given a different. Cause sometimes I used to get confused also. I simply use this for only for analysis. I don't even take a, even for a demo trades. I don't. for showcasing you guys, maybe I would have taken the demo trade. Personally, I don't use this because I'm accustomed to with what do you call this MetaTrader.
MetaTrader.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So because whole life you are going to spend with the MetaTrader because you are going to trade up
Yes, yes.
the funded accounts, right? So
So what I have to do now, because in MetaTrader,
can you I'll help you one thing maybe.
huh,
I don't want you need a demo account, right? So what you do is just
huh,
go to the Google, search funded next
okay.
because the month is started. I
Yeah.
should have
Okay.
told you couple of days before. Just go to the
100 next.
fundednext.com.
Okay.
I think they are still giving the free trial. If you go up, you can
Free
see
trial.
free
Yeah.
trial.
Yeah.
Just click that free
100K
trial.
account
Yeah,
size.
I don't know whether they'll be asking the
Yeah.
this one. What do you call the credit card? I'm not sure. Maybe you took some 100k account MT5.
Yeah.
Get started. Let's see. Let's see whether they
Uh,
are asking card information or not.
I'm not.
Oh, you are not
Okay.
getting screen?
No, no, no. Okay, MT5 already is it's selected, right? Platform and swap
Yeah,
option.
it
Yeah, I
is there,
got it.
right?
Got it.
Oh, you are simultaneously checking.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. But for me, it is not running. I don't know why. It's taking time, or maybe my internet is slow. I'm not sure.
I'm getting some option. Let me check.
Okay, for me, it's still blank. I don't know why.
Okay. I think your net issue.
Might be. But this website usually run very fast. Maybe I'll go to the Chrome. Oh, it is came. It came. So you can see uh, amount to be paid. It says zero, right?
Yeah.
And you can see free trial 100k account MT5
Yeah.
funded next server price zero and account type swap means nothing but if you are buying now and selling tomorrow like a 24-hour midnight you are holding your position, so there will be
Sorry.
some uh,
24 night.
I mean suppose you today evening you bought, okay,
Okay.
and tomorrow morning only you are closing that position,
Hmm.
so you are holding that entry night, right, overnight.
Hmm.
So for that they'll be charging some small commission. So that's called swap.
Okay.
Swap free account
So
means that
any which is they will charge the commission, no?
that is different
Like,
commission.
okay,
For
but
every entry
this.
they will charging commission, that is different. But swap means specifically the here account type swap, right?
Hmm.
Specifically that is charged for the overnight holding of your entries. So
So the number of nights I will hold, they will charge accordingly, or
yes,
how it is?
today you buy and
Hmm.
you are closing it after 3 days. For
Hmm.
every day overnight holding, they'll be charging small commission. Commissions will be very small, maybe like a $1, something like that.
So
Uh,
in funded in demo account also they will charge.
Demo account they won't charge. Demo
Okay.
account they won't charge. In demo account it will be showing, but even if charging you are, it's not going to affect you, right? So
Yeah.
it will be showing because
Ah. Okay. Okay.
as per rules it will be showing.
Hmm.
Okay, now you give your email ID, click next. What else they are asking? Email ID already exists. Let me try with a different email ID. Smart Money
Yeah.
Trading
I
Academy.
am also simultaneously checking it, showing account successful. It's asking for OTP.
Okay, I am putting other email ID. Oh, it's asking a lot of information. Okay, I
Yeah,
don't know.
I have
Oh, you
submitted.
you know, right? You already filled, right? So again
Yeah.
I don't need to create, right? So
So I'm just checking whether it's asking for details, credit card
it
details or
won't
not.
ask, I believe so. If it is ask, you exit. Don't give the information.
Okay. It's asking mail OTP, but I did not get any OTP in mail.
It will take some time maybe
Okay, okay.
because time is now on midnight at night. So if you created now, they will give their own MetaTrader.
Okay.
You can use that MetaTrader. You can use it. That will be useful for you. I don't know whether I can directly download the MetaTrader here because my account recently breached, so I cannot log in my account. Uh, so you still not get the OTP?
Not yet. Checking the same.
Maybe it may take some time. Today is Saturday, right? So
Yeah, I did not get it.
okay, if you get the, you will like. Uh, but I think that the trial account will be having a limited amount of time. I think 1 month only you can use. Maybe
Yeah,
next
1 month. Yeah, yeah.
next month you can again you can open
I
the
will try with different email ID. No issues.
same email ID you can open, no issues, because monthly one they'll be giving, I believe so.
No, after 30 days, I think the trial will be over. No, so they will ask for the either to
Okay,
go for a funded account. Otherwise, I can open with another mail ID maybe.
yeah, maybe then in that case you can try with a different funding platform
Mail.
also.
Yeah. Okay.
uh,
But this is one. This one is a.
Easy one, in my opinion.
Yeah. Also trusted.
Yes, you can safely trade. Even you don't need to worry about the withdrawals will become flawlessly.
Hmm.
But for practicing per se, you can use anything.
I'll try this, but I did not get the OTP as of now. Let's see.
Okay, maybe because of the weekend they are not
Yeah, yeah,
updating.
yeah.
I'm not
Maybe,
sure.
maybe.
But for Gulf countries, Friday is a weekend. But I still there. But if you still want to use any other thing, maybe you can use like IC markets. IC markets. They do provide the demo account.
Okay.
If you go IC Market Global, that's the website, and I think you can try as a free demo. You can see in the top, try as a free demo. This one. So you can click that. Once you click that, it will ask you your information, country of residence, India. Yeah, I think my name is already there. 2939. Submit. Last name. Okay, here. Submit. Email ID associated with the profile account. Log into the secure this client area. Okay, I already have the account. It was fast. I never used this account. But if you fill this information, I think you can directly download the trading platforms here. You can see trading, the platform, MetaTrader 5. They are providing many things. They are even providing the trading view option. But I suggest you to go with the MetaTrader 5.
MetaTrader. Okay.
Yeah. So you can click, I think, directly download. It will download quickly. But they are asking the login ID and password. Shoot, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Forgot password. Check your email. The password. Okay, I complete the link. for me.
I will try.
Yeah, it says my link is corrupted. Some activation link it is given, but an error occurred is coming.
I see markets go global, no?
Yeah, you try
Yeah.
this. You can give
Okay.
your personal information and then you can download directly.
Okay.
Okay, for me it is not accessing. Maybe I will change the email ID. Okay, I'll try in my email ID, but mobile number is still the same. Application request submitted. To access the secure client area, please check your email ID and log in and follow the prompts. Okay. Again, I need to go to my email. Phone. Email. I see market. Oh, that email. Okay. Shit. I need to go to the. Oh, that email ID is not activated here. Okay. This is. No, I don't have that email ID. Shit, I don't know the password. So I'm really sorry
The
because
same happens with me.
because it's been long time. I never used
Yeah,
those.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, always it happens with me.
Yeah.
I was trying different passwords, lots of account I have lost.
Okay.
Then finally I give all mail ID, all account same password.
I kept that, but I keep forget. I usually put one password, but I keep forget what is the password. It's kind of frustrating. Anyways, you can easily open this. It's not a big deal.
Ah, yeah, okay, I will try this. I will
Try this
this
if you have if
first
you
wait for that funded next.
ha
If
that one you wait for.
the if it's coming, it's fine. Otherwise, I will check this.
Okay. Okay, if you come across any confusion here, and maybe let me know. Uh,
Yeah, yeah,
any option, because sometimes it will ask you to use. There is option called Islamic account.
yeah. Okay.
Islamic account. I don't know why. What is the logic of that? For
Maybe.
Islamic countries like Arab countries, they have a different account.
Okay.
So, do you want Islamic account or normal account? Like that, it will ask. So you need to choose normal account. Don't choose
Hmm.
Islamic. And sometimes it will ask for the leverage. How much leverage you want?
Hmm.
So if you have 1:100, you choose that,
Hmm. Okay.
because most of the funded account provide this. So you choose that.
Hmm.
And also, what else it can ask? What is the account currency? It will ask. Account
Hmm.
currency, you have to choose US dollar
Hmm.
or maybe euro, but US dollar is easy for us to calculate, so you can use US dollar. What else? Maybe like I don't think so. Maybe like you have to choose manually the what do you call the amount. Maybe $10,000, maybe like a $1 lakh something. That you have to give manually. So
Hmm.
these information usually it will ask when you go to the trading configuration, and it will ask whether do you want MetaTrader 4 or 5. So choose MT5.
Hmm.
Later you can change it in the trading view also. Once you choose
Hmm.
MetaTrader, they will not give you the access to the trading view. So later, if you ask them, they will provide the trading view access also in the charting plot. But demo account, I don't think so. They will give, but real account I'm talking.
Okay. As a trading view and MetaTrader both.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
So you try it and let me know if you have any questions. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
All right. Today we have not seen anything, but of course we have discussed many things. So
Yes, yes.
we will connect Monday evening, and then
Um,
we'll start something new maybe Monday.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine,
Yeah.
fine. Yeah.
Bye. Good night.
Bye, bye. Good
Bye
night.
bye.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yesterday's recording I will share you. Okay. I have
Yeah, yeah.
uploaded. I have not shared you the link. I will share you like right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
Also, these recordings will not be deleted ever. Like, if in any time I want to listen, I can, right?
Yeah, yeah, it will be there. You, as long as you have the link,
Yeah.
and I have the I have the all whole recordings. Keep on
Yeah, yeah.
sharing you the links, right? Maybe you may
Yeah.
possible copy paste it somewhere in the Excel sheet.
Uh,
Because I don't have any track. I can share you the link once again. Maybe one
yeah.
by one I have to share. Uh,
Maybe I think last to last recording also you didn't share, I think. Uh,
last to last one recording I have not shared you because I wanted to repeat the topic. So that's the reason.
okay. No
Because
issues.
I had the recording, I thought to
Mm-hmm.
share, but no point in sharing right
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah. Definitely, definitely.
We will discuss that once again. Then we'll share
Yeah.
the fresh. Okay.
Sure,
So
sure.
yeah, I will share the recording right now, and we'll meet you in the Monday. Yeah. Bye.
Yeah, sure, sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Good night.
Good
Take care.
night. Bye. Yeah. Take care. Bye.